We'll do a sound check in the circus.
In the circus. Haircut look fresh. Shout out your barber.
Barber. T-Man.
Yes.
Come here.
Another round.
What you got on right now?
You know what I'm saying? It's a little something. You know what I'm saying? Got the LeBron jeans, you know, the game. James, you know what I'm saying? LeBron shoes on.
Oh, you will tell what.
It's just the basic, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Would that be Ranger swag?
Yeah, it's a little bit of Ranger swag.
Yo, we got new dancers? New dancers?
Yeah. I'll be back tomorrow.
I got you straight.
That's what
Okay. Thank you. You're welcome.
All right. Y'all ladies ready?
Yep. You already know I'm ready. You're recording, bro.